Solid skid steer tires find application in various industries and environments due to their durability, puncture resistance, and low maintenance requirements. Here are some common applications where solid skid steer tires are widely used. Construction sites. Solid skid steer tires are well suited for construction sites where the terrain can be rough and scattered with debris. Their puncture-proof nature makes them ideal for withstanding the challenges posed by construction activities. Landscaping. Landscaping and gardening often involve working in areas with thorns, sharp rocks, or other potential puncture hazards. Quarries. Solid skid steer tires are used in quarries and mining operations where the ground is...
I don't even know if you can handle it. All I know is you can have it.